Ever struggled with a phone case that's impossible to snap on or peel off? Today, we're diving into Galaxy S26 Ultra cases that are not only protective, but effortless to install and remove. Stay tuned, because I'll show you the easiest options and guide you to the best picks. Links are in the description. On number 5 is Esra Ultra Phone Case. What if your Galaxy S26 Ultra case could feel like an extension of your phone, snapping on and off without stress? That's exactly where the Esra Ultra phone case impresses. Most buyers struggle with stiff or bulky covers that make installation a chore, but this case glides on with precision thanks to its flexible yet sturdy teepoo frame and crystal clear acrylic back. The built-in magnets deliver a secure, effortless snap for MagSafe accessories, while air-guard corners absorb real-world drops. Compared with other options, it balances protection with ease of use, making it one of the most user-friendly choices for anyone asking. Which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove? Lightweight, slim, and resistant to scratches, it keeps your phone looking original while giving peace of mind. At $29.99, it's tested for real-world comfort, offering worry-free protection and smart convenience for daily use. At number 4 is Spigen Ultra Hybrid. What if a case could combine crystal-clear design with effortless usability? That is exactly where the Spigen Ultra Hybrid shines, especially for those wondering, which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove? Most buyers fear bulky cases that trap fingerprints or resist removal, but this hybrid structure, rigid polycarbonate back with flexible thermoplastic polyurethane frame, snaps on and off with ease while maintaining military-grade drop protection. The built-in magnetic ring ensures seamless MagSafe alignment and smooth wireless charging, and the raised bezels safeguard both screen and camera without adding unnecessary weight. Compared with other similar cases, it balances clarity, grip, and durability perfectly while keeping your phone looking original. Slim, reliable, and tested for real-world comfort, it gives peace of mind with every snap. At $39.99, it's a smart, convenient choice for anyone who values quick access, strong protection, and daily practicality. On number 3 is CASEKOO Cobalt Violet. What if a case could combine bold style, effortless handling, and ultimate protection? That is exactly where the CASEKOO Cobalt Violet shines for anyone asking. Which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove? Most buyers worry about bulky cases that are hard to snap on or off, but this one balances precision and comfort perfectly. The slim, matte, translucent back lets your Galaxy's original color glow, while the 3.0 U-Shock cushioning and MIL STD 810H certified drop protection guard against real-world impacts. Buttons feel crisp and responsive thanks to the one-piece design, while the raised bezels keep screen and camera safe. Compared with others, it's remarkably easy to handle yet robust, giving peace of mind during daily use. At $29.99, it's a smart choice for those who want protection, style, and the satisfaction of quick, stress-free installation every time. At number 2 is Tora's Magnetic Shockproof. What if a magnetic case could deliver military-grade protection and slide on and off your phone effortlessly? That's exactly what the Tora's Magnetic Shockproof accomplishes for anyone wondering. Which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove? Most buyers fear bulky, rigid armor that's a hassle to snap on, but this case defies that expectation. At just 0.04 inches thin, it combines premium TPU and TP materials with 20 built-in cushioning airbags and X-Shock technology, surviving drops from 12 feet without stress. The N56SH neodymium magnets create a secure snap-on fit that works flawlessly with wireless charging and magnetic mounts. Compared with other slim magnetic cases, it offers superior tactile DIY buttons, anti-fingerprint texture, and a semi-clear minimalist design that preserves your phone's elegance. At $39.99, it's a confident, practical, and worry-free choice for everyday Galaxy use, giving both style and peace of mind. Now, moving to the last one is Ringke Silicone Magnetic. What if a magnetic silicone case could combine effortless installation with rock-solid protection? That's exactly where the Ringke silicone magnetic surprises Galaxy S26 Ultra users, asking, which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove? Most buyers dread sticky or stiff cases that fight your fingers, but this one slides on and off with zero hassle thanks to its soft, dust-resistant silicone and durable polycarbonate frame. The hidden inlaid magnetic ring locks perfectly with MagSafe accessories while supporting smooth wireless charging, giving you confidence in every snap. At 0.48 inches thin, it balances a secure grip with portability, and the precise cutouts ensure full access to all ports and buttons. Compared with other magnetic silicone cases, it feels lighter, cleaner, and smarter. At $29.99, it's a practical, stylish, and reassuring choice that delivers peace of mind without compromise. The clear winner here is the Torres Magnetic Shockproof. It perfectly balances military-grade protection with effortless installation, answering the question, which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove? At just 0.04 inches thin, it slides on smoothly, yet 20 built-in cushioning airbags and X-Shock technology protect against drops from 12 feet. The strong N56SH neodymium magnets provide a secure snap-on fit, compatible with wireless charging and magnetic mounts. Compared with other options, it delivers superior grip, customizable buttons, and a minimalist, semi-clear design, making it the smartest, most reliable choice for style, ease of use, and peace of mind. At $39.99, it's a practical, worry-free investment that protects your phone without compromising convenience or aesthetics. So guys, this was the video about the which Galaxy S26 Ultra cases are the easiest to install and remove. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.